Welcome to Trailside Talks. We provide you with in-depth gear reviews, ensuring that you make the best choices when it comes to everything from tents and sleeping bags to cooking equipment and navigation tools. Hold on tight as we embark on thrilling off-road trips. Experience the adrenaline rush as we tackle rugged terrains, conquer steep inclines, and navigate through muddy trails. It's an adventure you won't want to miss. At Trailside Talks, our mission is to inspire outdoor enthusiasts like you to embrace the beauty of nature and explore the great outdoors. We're here to share our passion for camping, overlanding, and off-road adventures through informative and entertaining content. Whether you're planning your next camping trip, seeking advice on the best overlanding spots, or looking for reliable gear recommendations, Trailside Talks is your go-to resource. We believe that nature has the power to heal, inspire, and bring us closer together. Join us on this epic expedition as we venture into the unknown, discovering hidden gems and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss an adventure with Trailside Talks. That's it for today's episode of Trailside Talks. We hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into what's in store for your outdoor exploration. Remember, the great outdoors is waiting for you, so grab your gear, pack your sense of adventure, and let's embark on the journey of a lifetime. Until next time, stay tuned and keep exploring with Trailside Talks.